When Jonathan died on the battlefield, his 5-year-old son was carried in fear, running from death only to fall into a life of shame. His name was Mephibosheth, once a prince, now broken, crippled in both feet, hidden in exile, forgotten. Years passed. King David remembered the covenant he had made with Jonathan, an oath of kindness, and so he asked, "Is there still anyone left to whom I can show kindness for Jonathan's sake?" A servant spoke up. "There is one, a crippled man living in Lo-debar." Mephibosheth was summoned to Jerusalem. Terrified, he fell before the king, expecting death. But David spoke, "Do not fear. I will surely show you kindness for your father's sake." That day, the forgotten prince was restored, not just land or title, but honor. David gave him a seat at the king's table as one of the king's sons, a broken man eating beside royalty, not because he earned it, but because of covenant love. Mephibosheth's story reminds us, grace does not forget, even when the world does. Mephibosheth had nothing, no strength, no glory, but he had a name and a father who once made a covenant, and that was enough. Grace found him. Grace lifted him. Grace gave him a future. We are all Mephibosheth, broken, hidden, undeserving, and yet the King calls us not to destroy, but to restore, to eat at his table forever. If this story touched your heart, subscribe to Lives of the Bible and share it with someone who needs to hear it. Thank you for watching Lives of the Bible.